Wake up, wake up. Get up, get up, get up. Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to Wine and Wellness Wednesday. I'm Lindsay Brantley, the founder of Camellia Alise and the Camellia Alise Academy, and I am super excited to be here with you guys today. So I am live on both YouTube and Instagram today. I'm playing around with these cameras a little bit. Y'all don't mind me. How's everybody doing today? So, as the song said, it is the first of the month. I hope that you guys are having an amazing first day so far. But before I get into today's topic, I want to toast to each and every one of you guys. More importantly, though, I actually want to toast to all of the women CEOs because March is Women's Business Month. It is. So I want to toast to each and every one of you guys that are out there making things happen, doing some things. Super, super excited to be here with y'all. So toast to you guys for making it happen. Okay, so today's topic, I've actually been talking about this for a couple of weeks, you guys. And finally, I am back in Texas. I am back at the office. So I got all my tools out. I don't know how many of them y'all can see, but I got the pressure therapy machine out. I got the foot detox machine out. And so today what I wanted to do was just take a couple minutes and go over with you some of the benefits and some of the best parts about the pressure therapy machine as well as the foot detox machine. So before I get into that, I just want to introduce myself because many of you guys on here today are new or have never tuned in before. And so I am Lindsay Brantley. I'm the founder of Camellia Alise and the Camellia Alise Academy. And I'm just excited to be here with you guys. So I have been in the industry for 12 years. I'm a medical aesthetics practitioner and a proud business owner. We are a 7-figure business. We are headquartered in Houston, Texas, where we have our Beauty Institute, where we train people in non-invasive body sculpting, detox, and facial aesthetics. And then we also have our full service spa here. And then we also have a couple other businesses coming your way. So you guys be on the lookout for those. But that's who I am. And I'm just, details. I don't know what this is talking about. But really excited to be here with you guys today to talk pressure therapy, detox, couple other things. Now, many of you guys may know me from body sculpting, right? Most people think, okay, she teaches cavitation and wood therapy, which we do. We teach that a lot. But we also teach many other things. And one of the classes that I am very, very passionate about is our detox specialist course, okay? So hold on, I just wanted to see if we looking okay on here because it looks like I'm sideways. I am. Okay, I'm sideways. So let me fix this YouTube camera, y'all. Don't like, wait a second. Why does it look like this? Hold on. Y'all forgive me. So I'm gonna get into today's topic and it's gonna be good and it's gonna be worth it. So y'all just work with me. Hold on. I don't know why orientation is always locked on. There it is. Okay, there we go. I think we're good now. Let me see. Look, I gotta look at all the other cameras to make sure that I look okay. Because I don't want y'all coming to me like, this whole video was sideways. But anyway, so like I was saying before, I spent a lot of time talking about different contouring services, wood therapy. I'm just gonna have to do it upright because it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Hold on, y'all. My bad. I'm sorry. Technical issues. Okay. So, like I was saying before, spent a lot of time talking to you guys about body contouring, wood therapy, a couple of other things, but I am also very passionate about detoxing. So, I'm going to talk to you guys today about foot detoxes and pressure therapy. Wanted to go over what you would learn in the class, but also some of the important things when it comes to doing these services, okay? So if you were to take our detox class, you actually are going to learn about 4 to 5 services. So we actually go over 5 different modalities. 4 of them are included, and then 1 is additional if you want to add it on. So we talked to you about infrared detoxing. We talked to you about the Ionic foot detox, which is this little machine right here. So I've got the foot detox machine in here. We talk about aromatic detox services. We also talk about the sauna dome detox services, and then the last one is pressure therapy, okay? So our detox class is one of those where you're going to learn about a lot of different modalities all at one time. But I wanted to go over some of the main benefits and why these 2 services are 2 of our most popular and also 2 of the most important, okay? So when it comes to pressure therapy, so this is our pressure therapy machine. So you see the leg cuffs, and then right there, the little white box is the actual control unit. So one of the main benefits for this service is circulation. So a lot of people have issues with circulation. Sometimes the issues are because the clients are diabetic. It could be because they're older. It could be because their veins are not pumping right. A lot of different reasons that clients can have bad circulation. But at the end of the day, you don't want clients to walk around with restless leg syndrome. You don't want clients walking around with swollen feet, swollen ankles. That's not health, right? And our health is our wealth at the end of the day. So I'm very passionate about pressure therapy because it alleviates a lot of the swelling. It actually helps fluid move forward. And let me say this, pressure therapy does not just help clients who are, older and who have diabetes. There are a lot of clients who, if you think about post-op clients who have had surgeries, but they have all of this swelling, fluid typically makes its way down away from the heart. So the pressure therapy machine actually helps to draw some of that fluid actually towards your heart and helps to get things moving. These machines also have multiple types of pressure. So they have a gradient pressure, which is kind of, in and out, in and out. They also have a regular pressure where it's going straight up and down, almost like a massage. They have different patterns for different reasons. So we go over that in the class. It also helps alleviate pain. So it could just be you have tired feet from a regular day's moving around, walking, whatever it is. So these types of machines can help to, like I said, loosen up that lymphatic movement. It helps to move everything. It helps to free up some of that fluid, that swelling. There's a lot of things that come along with just a regular day, right? That inflammation that a lot of us are dealing with, pressure therapy can kind of help alleviate that. And like I was saying, you have all different kinds of compression. So don't just think that every machine is the same, because they're not. So you may have pulsating compression. You may have gradient compression. You may have distal release. There are different types of pressure. So I say that to say a lot of times people want to incorporate services, but they have no idea what they're buying, why they're buying it. You guys, that's why you take classes, so that you understand the functions of the machines that you're using, okay? So it does help, like I said, to reduce swelling. It helps to reduce pain. It helps to increase muscle recovery. So that's a piece that a lot of people miss out on as well, you guys, is the muscle recovery piece. Sometimes you might just have an athletic client that's working on certain body parts and they need to speed up the recovery. Pressure therapy machines do that, okay? They do help improve athletic performance. In some NFL locker rooms, you will find pressure therapy machines. In some hospitals, you'll find pressure therapy machines. So what we do is important, and it does make a difference, and it contributes to your client's overall health and well-being. So that's why I just wanted to talk about the machine a little bit. Now, there are different types of machines. These are the ones that I prefer. Most clients come in because of pain with the legs, But we do also have machines that help with pressure on the arms, pressure on the stomach. So you can alleviate inflammation and swelling in all different parts of the body. Like I said, most clients come in for the leg, but there are machines that do everything, okay? So like I said, some of the main benefits are going to be the inflammation, decreasing inflammation, decreasing some of the swelling, and speeding up muscle recovery. So those are some of the main reasons that people do pressure therapy. And you guys, like always, as I'm talking and I'm talking about different services, if y'all have any questions while you're here, please feel free to let me know what those questions are, okay? The second thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and this is something that I can talk about all day long, but I'm not going to, it's just the Ionic foot detox machine. So some of you guys have seen this, some of you have not, okay? And then there's all kinds of people who go back and forth and say, does it really work? I don't know if it really works. Will it work for me? So I will tell you this. I've been doing the services myself for probably about 10 years, performing the services for probably about 7, because I wanted to, first of all, like I believed in it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So then I decided that I wanted to do more research, learn about it, learn how it worked, and then I started incorporating the service. But for me and for my clients, I will tell you hands down, we have had clients year over year where if they get some weird watercolor that we've never seen before, like maybe green, and we're like, okay, what's going on? And that client's like, oh, well, yeah, I did have cancer and went through chemo. Okay, that directly correlates to what the water is telling us. So for me, I wholeheartedly believe in it because I've seen results, and I've seen results correlate directly to clients' health conditions. Another thing that our clients tell us all day, every day is the improvement in their sleep patterns when they have done these treatments, okay? Everybody's water is not the same, and most clients' water improves with a series, everything that we do. I will tell you hands down, whether it's body sculpting, whether it's pressure therapy, whether it's ionic foot detoxes, everything that we do requires more than one session. So we explain that to clients. You need a series in order to get the best benefits to help your body detox. Everybody walks around, we drink wine, right? We breathe certain air. There are toxins all over us. There's toxins in the, stuff we put on our skin. So it is important to do things every now and then that help your body to detox. And these are some of the mechanisms that help to move toxins out of your body. So I just briefly wanted to go over, like I said, some of the benefits for both services so that you could actually see what the services are. If y'all have any questions about them, please feel free to jump in at any time. But I will tell you that some of the benefits for the Ionic foot detox, it helps with kidney and liver function because those are your body's detoxing system. So it kind of takes a little bit of pressure off of those things. It helps improve your sleep. It can also help with things like migraines. We've had clients that are like, oh, it did help alleviate some of my headaches. It can help with fatigue. Like I said, if nothing else, you're going to sleep better after you've done a treatment. So those are some of the basic benefits. Like I said, this all is taught plus a whole lot more in one class. Because when it comes to being a detox specialist, you need to have more than one modality. So that's why we teach 4 to 5. Like I said, there are 4 that are included and the 5th one as an add-on. So that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. I just wanted to go over pressure therapy a little bit and talk a little bit more about the importance of it. It's very easy to incorporate these services into any business that you have. If you already have a sculpting business, or let's say you have a med spa, it's very easy to add these things to it. And so, we're here if you have any questions. Okay, so like I was saying, we're here if you guys have any questions about the services, about what the benefits are. We're always here to answer questions. We'll answer certain ones here. We'll answer certain ones in class. And I just like to make sure that people are well educated and that they understand what the services are, what the benefits are for them. And so that's why I just wanted to come in and talk about them today. So once again, like I said, this is the pressure therapy. These are the 2 cups for the legs, and then that's the control box over there. And then this is just some of the setup for the Ionic foot detox. You definitely need your foot detox bowls. You have to have the Ionic machine. You have to have arrays. You have to use salt. So a couple other things that make the machines work. And of course, we go over those in depth. So that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to, like I said, go over the machine a little bit so you can understand it. And by the way, all Ionic foot detox machines are not made the same. And yes, the settings do matter. So when you see there's a setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you don't understand what those mean, because you need to go to class. It's just the same as pressure therapy. All pressure therapy machines are not made the same. When I say that you have distal release versus gradient pressure, those things mean something. And when you set the machines, you want to be able to give your clients the best results. But without the knowledge, you're not able to do that. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope that helped you guys out. I hope I answered a couple questions for you. And if you guys have any other questions, comment below the videos, DM us, and we'll definitely continue answering them. And just like always, I want to once again toast to you guys. Thanks for joining me this evening. And I'm really excited that this is the kickoff. We started on day 1 for Women's Business Month, and we are going to continue coming out strong. I have some really big announcements coming up this month on Wine and Wellness Wednesday. We have some new programs, some really amazing programs that have never been done before, you guys. So please tune in. Look forward to those announcements. I'm excited to bring some things to you guys. And then we are still on tour. So catch us in a city near you or fly to Houston. We will be here. So I hope that I get to see some of you guys in person soon. Thanks for tuning in. And y'all have an amazing night. Toast to you guys for making it through Hump Day. Bye.